Welcome to the world united. Welcome to the world united.
Next, let's put our hands together and welcome our chief guest for today, Mr. Brahmanand Shankwalkar. I request you, sir, to do the honors and give us your inaugural address. Thank you.
First of all, I welcome all the dignitaries, guests, and all those who are each and every individual who is on online for today's program via 1/2022. I'm grateful for the moderators, Mr. Ashish Hede and Mr. Floyd, for inviting me on this inauguration day of your state level program. Actually, I would like to say few of my small things which have gone through my life. In short, I understand everyone is here for a purpose. I am a dropout student of interscience that had a great dream to go to become a doctor, but football was rolling. I was running after football. I was so passionate about football that I had to do this. But finally, I've decided dedication, sacrifices to put behind this interest of football, and went ahead. And football has taken me around the world and met a lot of individuals, and every individual which I've met for over 52 years, I was one in them. I was one into them. And I enjoyed it, the spirit behind it. All the learnings which I've missed in my life got through by experiences, watching experiences, taking examples of the great cricketers, footballers, and other sports persons, the sacrifices they have done, the injuries they have gone through, they have come back they have done through. It's all learning process for me, and which made me to come back even when I went through the crisis of injury, setbacks, performances. But I never said no. Everything is possible in this world, and I made a comeback. I'm not so much whatever I have achieved in my life. It is just I say, let's keep it in the cupboard, in my shelf, and I go ahead with all my activities because there is love for football in my heart. I always felt a small man before everybody. Made somebody who is really deserving, never made him feel small. I always lifted him, his spirits up high. I know at the state level, the purpose of the spirit behind it, purpose and the spirit behind it, of this event, unity in consciousness, is that I feel very much that I endorse it fully, this movement. And this movement, I am hoping very strongly, going to the earlier speech of the special guest, to reach each and every corner of the world. Like a frog in the well does not know anything outside the world. There was a very elderly lady, very elderly lady told me, Ramanand, you came out of the well now. You slightly saw something beyond your border and you will see the world. Her words have come true. And for me, coming from the ward, going out into my village to other villages of Goa, beyond the borders of Goa, the whole country and the world, I feel this will be possible. I wish all the best. As I said earlier, I am behind this program. I fully endorse this program. I wish you all the best, especially Floyd, Ashish, and all those who are involved. All the top dignitaries who are here, whom I know very well, and who have supported me. I'm giving a small example, as the earlier speaker has said. In my crisis, I was finding sometimes many people. One of them was Dr. Mahesh Gudkar's father. He was a footballer with Salgonkars. And when I was in my plaster of my arm during the Asian Games, I don't know whether I want to come back or not. Every time I could meet him in the office of the Airu Mundial, where he was a chief head of the agency. The moment he looks at me, he would smile at me. There was different spirit in me. Then we would sit, talk about football, this and that and that. Everything was positive. And I always appreciate all those people who met me in my life. That push has given me to go forward. I wish you all best. Everyone will go forward on this. And this is a very, very good movement. I hope, and it's going to be, you've got to be positive to see that it's going to be successful. It's very, very difficult. But yes, we have got to make our conscience clear that we are going to be one. And World United, wish you all the best for this success. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.